Yeah, through that crack. Yeah. And pop a left. Yeah, that door. Yeah.
Shit!
Then through that door.
Yeah, well, I don't have one of those tools. I am screwed. Damn. You gotta be kidding. Where are you?
Oh, I'm dead. You're the last one, man.
Fuck.
You can get you need 2 lockpicks and you can escape through that door you just saw.
Just look around, Connie.
You can get yourself 2 lockpicks.
I just need at least one.
Now you need 1 for that door and 1 for the gate on the other side. So you're gonna
Dude,
pick
I'm not getting out.
Oh, you got
Not
it.
a
You got it.
chance.
You can get 2 from the same toolbox.
This might lead to the
You
others.
got double pick a toolbox. When you pick through that door, you disable the generator. You pick through that other lock, and you're home free. There you go. Grab a second one from there as well.
Who the hell are these people?
Oh, I didn't know I should grab 2.
You gotta switch
I
over
only
to the
have one.
health. You have to switch over to the health so you can replace it.
Thank you.
Here we go. Duffy is a legend on this channel.
Back to that same door and pick that lock after the grandpa.
Oh, no. I think I lost him.
You're heading away from it. Turn back the way you just came from. No, not that way.
Go
That's
in
going
there.
back into the killing field.
Yeah, I gotta go this way.
Go through the crack you just came from.
Why?
Yeah, that one in the wall. Go through that. Yeah. Close that door behind you so you don't notice it. Generator's right there. Kick that generator out. And then your gate's on the right. You just gotta pick that lock and you're home free.
Should be able to do it. Getting my power up back. My heart is beating, bro.
Now,
Here we go.
Help. All right.
Oh, you're home free,
And
man.
we
You're
are
home free.
out of here. Yo!